Hey there, man. Your laughter is always so contagious when you're acting up and being silly. Personally, I think you found your father's key to liquor cabinet. I didn't know about my dad's liquor cabinet. And sample all his top shelf liquor bottles. By the way, did you mark all the labels before you drank any and replace the alcohol with water? Okay, that's a good trick. Fantastic video, my friend. I think the change of scenery is definitely doing you good. I think you may have thought of your parents' Christmas gift without realizing it. They're away a turntable and some of their favorite vinyl albums for when they return home. Hmm. Best of luck to you, buddy, in the contest. Hopefully, he picks for most original and humorous videos. You're shoe in. Well, Jeff, I won the contest. Not for that reason, just being lucky. He just drew my name. I can talk soon. But, yeah, I want to see if I could search for turntable in Oklahoma City. Craigslist in Oklahoma City. Craig. OKC, how's that? Okay. And let's search for turntable. Ooh, okay. Now, paste that. And right here. Control C. Control V. Okay. Let's see if I can bring that over here. Okay, let me smooth that. Vintage Kenwood stereo component system for $100. Power amp, control amplifier. Oh, tuner, CD player, turntable. Alright, 65F. Speakers are available. Okay, I don't need this. Yes, speaker. All components work with the exception of. Let me go ahead and search for that turntable by itself. How much that's worth? See. Oh, Kenwood. Let me put Kenwood in here. Well, Jeffrey Rosnack, Kenwood KD-65F linear tracking turntable. A look inside. Okay, I'm gonna click on that.
It's Jeff here. Today I wanted to talk to you about linear tracking turntables.
Let's start with your
What you're
technical.
looking at right now is
Only
linear
technical, yeah,
tracking.
only technical.
It's just your conventional groove following pivot
What the heck is linear tracking?
tone arm. This is the Audio Technica LP120 turntable I bought last year.
Go ahead and advance a little bit. Maybe you
So
show
I just want table
that
so you can
turntable.
see what I'm talking about. And with the linear tracking turntable, we don't have any anti-skate issues. With this one, now this album here, I should point out, it does not have any grooves on it. It's a one-sided album. This side is completely smooth. So where I set this down at, it should stay there if your tracking force and anti-skate is set properly. And your table must be level for this all to work as one. Now, if I turn up or down,
Oh, that's a cool way of doing that. Okay.
on this album, being that it's smooth, you should see that
I need a
arm,
KD-65,
towards
Jeff.
the label, skate out. So turning it up, you'll see it starting to pull out towards the album. With the
Right.
down, you'll see it start going
Okay.
into the label. Now this audio
Gravity at work, Jeff.
for the stylus cartridge that's in there.
Cool.
Not enough, it throws it in. Tracking on the pivot
What are you
is
saying?
so important. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on is this turntable right here.
Okay.
I apologize.
Oh, he opened it up already.
I want to show you my Kenwood KD-65F that I bought in 1986.
Oh.
And I still have it. It's still going strong. So this is it taken apart. We are going to do
Yeah, that looks
another
like
look
it's
inside
moving
episode
side to
here.
side, the tone on.
So the linear tracking on, and you're going to watch that tone arm
Oh,
as it self moves independent on a shaft by a cable, which is right here around the pulley, and the motor right here pulls that. Let me give you a little
Okay.
closer look at that.
I'm gonna head to write you, Jeff. All right. Okay, I'm gonna write you and see if this is worth buying. Because mine's not working, but looks like it might be. I mean, there's not much in there. Maybe I could fix it.
It's a dead
What do you
on
think?
speed. The linear tracking.
Let's go. I'm
follows
gonna write you
through.
first, though. Oh, I got it. I emailed Jeff to see if it's a good deal. Even if I cannot fix the turntable like he fixed his. And he'd say, yeah, it's a really good deal. With all the amplifier, mixer, CD player, radio. Even if the turntable doesn't work, he thought it was a really good deal. His system with the dual cassette deck and the tower speakers, he said he got all that back in 1980s, like $1,500 plus. And I'm saying, wow. So if I could get this for $100, and if I could make the turntable work, that would be just a bonus. Yeah. Only thing that works is this 33 light, LED light when I turn on the power. Actually it has fast forward. What's this record button for? The play button doesn't work. Yeah, like I said before, power button just turns on the 33 LED, nothing else. I hear something. Some kind of a motor noise. Maybe from different angle. Yep, I definitely hear it. It's some kind of buzz noise, as if a motor is stuck in one place. Maybe all I have to do is find what's stuck and ta-da! I fixed it. Let's see. One broken belt and nothing works. Time to call. Well, actually, time to email Jeff. The video you see behind me, that's Jeff's video. That's Jeff's KD-65F. I don't understand. How does a broken belt take out everything? Well, actually, it didn't take out the direct drive motor. I guess there's one motor below that circuit board with the wrong disc in there. But yeah, that one occasionally works. If I push the play button and hold it, it will turn for a little bit and then stop. And then as far as the noise, I still can't figure out where that noise came from. It has to be one of those three things, that little inductor. And anyway, so I emailed Jeff and said, hey, dude, where can I find something like this? And why is this randomly making noise? And why is everything not working? And what is this yellow stuff that has gill in it? And what does it do? So I sent him a second email. He says, just go get an O-ring that size from plumbing department. That's it. Okay, you're the teacher. Oh, by the way, this channel is fast becoming a Jeff is my teacher channel. Okay, and I don't understand, but I know it's gonna work because I know I'm gonna fix it, of course, because I got Jeff as my teacher. But crazy thing is this. Jeff is the one who suggested I get a Christmas present for my dad, turntable for my dad. And so I said, yeah, that's a good idea. So I searched Craigslist in Oklahoma City and found this KD-65F and rest of the system. $400. Of course, of all the things, only KD-65F wasn't working. So I searched Google for KD-65F. And guess what I see? Jeff's video that I never watched before, from 2-3 years ago, about KD-65F. It's like Jeff planned it 3 years ago. And he talks about how his motor broke down and he fixed it, cleaned it, whatever. And it's been good. So that's why I sent him an email saying, hey, what do you think? This, and he goes, yeah, that's good. And I said, okay, I'll go buy it. And I bought it. And seem to have a similar problem. I don't know. I just don't know how all this stuff works. Well, so I know it's going to work. Tomorrow I'm going to go shop for O-rings at Lowe's or Home Depot near me. Wish me luck. Till next time. Namin out.